Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be discussing can you have multiple Amazon affiliate accounts? So this is particularly useful for individuals. Let's say for some reason you want to make your life harder and have more than one Amazon affiliate account. Either way, I would recommend you having only one affiliate account so that it's a lot easier to manage. But either way, according to Amazon's policies, individuals are permitted to only have one Amazon Associates account. Managing multiple accounts is not allowed and can lead to complications or potential account termination. However, if you operate multiple websites or platforms, you can create up to 100 unique tracking IDs within your single account. So these tracking IDs enable you to monitor the performance of each site or promotional strategy separately. So what that basically means is that on your Amazon affiliate account, instead of creating separate Amazon affiliate accounts for each of your websites or each of your YouTube channels, why not connect all those websites and YouTube channels to your one single Amazon affiliate account? So each of those websites or YouTube channels can actually have unique tracking IDs. All you've got to do is go into your Amazon Associates Central account, navigate to account settings, and then edit your website list, and then simply just add your website. So you want to go ahead and enter the URL of your new website under the enter your websites and click on add. So basically by doing this, you're going to have unique tracking IDs all housed under one Amazon affiliate account. This is going to make it so that it's a lot easier to manage and you won't have to remember so many different logins. Either way, according to this, hopefully this video stays up to date, but you are only permitted one Amazon affiliate account. Don't go about creating multiple Amazon affiliate accounts because you might get in trouble. But if you know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and answer this question, guys, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.